Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic blockchain transactions and applications. Number 1, explanations of how transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. Initiations of a transaction. Users initiate transactions by creating a digital wallet and submitting a request to transfer assets, cryptocurrencies, or other digital assets to another users. Transactions information. Each transaction contains information such as the sender wallet address, the receipt wallet address, the amount of assets being transferred, and a digital signature. Verification process. Nodes on the blockchain in networks verify the validity of the transactions. These verifications involve checking if the sender has the necessary balance and ensuring that the digital signature is authentic. Inclusions in a block. Wallet transactions are grouped together into a block by miners nodes with the task of adding new blocks to the blockchain. The miner must solve a complex mathematical problems, proof of work to add the block to the blockchain. Number 2, the significance of private and public keys in securing transactions. Private keys. Every user in the blockchain network has a unique private key, which is a secret alphanumeric string. The private key is known only to the owner and is used to sign transactions, providing cryptographic proof that the transactions was initiated by the legitimate owner of the assets. Users must keep their private keys secured and private to prevent unauthorized access to their digital assets. Public keys. A public key is derived from the private key through a mathematical process. The public key serves as the user's address on the blockchain. It is shared openly and is visible to other participants in the network. While the public keys can be shared on the private key must remain confidential. Digital signatures. When a user initiates our transactions, the private key is used to create a digital signature. The digital signature is a unique identifier for the transactions and it is verified by another nodes using the corresponding public key. The use of private and public keys along with digital signatures ensures the security and ethnicity of transactions on the blockchain. Concluding thoughts. Transactions on the blockchain are transparent, secure, and decentralized. The verification process, inclusion of transactions in blocks, and the cryptographic security provided by private and public keys collectively contribute to the integrity of the blockchain. Understanding the role of key is in securing transactions is fundamental to using and trusting blockchain technology. Number 4, applications of blockchain. Cryptocurrencies, examples Bitcoin, Ethereum, decentralized digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin operate on blockchain technology, providing a decentralized and transparent way to transfer digital assets without the need of for the intermediaries. Ethereum, a blockchain platform, goes beyond a simple currency role by supporting smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApp, DApps, supply chain management and traceability. Transparent and immutable supply chains, blockchain enhances transparency and traceability in supply chains by recording every steps in the productions and distribution process on an immutable ledger. This ensures ethnicity and helps in tracking the origins of products, preventing fraud, and improving accountability. Point 3, healthcare record management. Secure and interoperable health records. Blockchain can be used to manage health records securely. Patients have control over who accesses their data, and the decentralized nature of the blockchain ensures data integrity. Interoperability between different healthcare systems is improved, leading to more comprehensive patient care. Point 4, voting systems and elections. Tamper resistant voting system. Blockchain can provide a secure and transparent platform for voting system. Each vote is recorded on the blockchain, making it resistant to tampering. This can enhance the integrity of elections, reduce fraud, and increase trust in the democratic process. Point 5, cross border payment and remittances, efficient and cost effective transactions. Blockchain facilitates cross border payments by eliminating intermediaries, reducing transactions cost, and increasing the speed of transactions. Remittances become more efficient as blockchain provided a direct peer to peer transfer mechanism. Thank you for listening the knowledge of blockchain transactions and application. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.